Good evening, guys. It's UD. With my greatest pleasure, I would like to introduce the newest UNL version 12. The first, I would like to say thank you very much to our contributors and guys who supported and helped to get this release out. We spent a lot of effort and time, of course, you contributed money. To get ready what I will show you in this video. As usual, I did some steps and scratchings what I'm going to show you. So the new release 12, right, and the update to the new release 12. Okay, as usual, you jump to your CLI and two commands have to be issued. Be sure that you have an internet connection with the DNS is assigned properly. So I'm going to do apt get update. It should not take a long time. So it's done. And the second command will be apt get install unitlab. Okay, that's apt hyphen install unitlab. I'm not going to do because I'm using my developer version, but after you will do this update, you will see under your status, you will see after update, sure, I forgot. After update, be sure that you open at your web screen, so web face for your UNL. And if you are using the Firefox, please do the combination of the two keys together, press together. Control F5, I'm going to do on my screen here. Control F5. If you are using the Chrome, please do combination of the Shift and F5 together. All right, this will refresh your screens and your UNL screen will be updated for a version 12. If you will go to the status and you have to see, and at this point you have to see version 12. Don't look at my number 11 Git. This is developer version. In your case, here will be number 12. All right, so it is about update, and let me introduce the most weighted and most amazing feature, how we are connecting the nodes into the UNL now. You remember that previously we have to create some networkings and then to connect one node one by one, but now everything these annoying things are gone. Let me start and show. So I'm going to add new lab. It will be dynamic links, for example, right? It will be version 1, right? Save. And let me add some notes. After you will update, and you will see that the new option is appeared here on a bar, connect node. But let me show you how it works. So I'm adding a couple of nodes. Let's say it will be 3 routers IOL, right? And I will say you that we would like to use a serial number, serial ports, but serial ports are supported only on IOL. Just remember it, but I will show you how it works in a dynamic linking as well. So we have 2 routers, right? 3 routers, sorry. And we would like to add a couple of switches maybe. I will just show you how quickly we can create labs now. So I'm going to create 2 switches. Name is playing no role, okay, and the 2 switches are added here, right? Switch 4 and 5. And now look how quickly I will connect these nodes. I'm using the newest option, which is implemented now in the UNL. I'm clicking connect node and you will see it highlighted into the red. So after it highlighted to red, I'm left click on the mouse. Look at this. I would like to connect 2 switches with each other with a double link in the trunks. Okay, left click and you're gonna see the interfaces appeared. All interfaces which are assigned when I added the node. And I'm saying that the interface 3.2 will goes, and look at this dynamic line appeared, will goes to switch 5, just a click left mouse, will goes to 3.2. Done. Next 3.3 goes to 3.3. Done. We would like to R1 00 goes to 00. Done. R1 01 goes to 00. Done. R3 00 goes to 01. Done. 00 goes to 01. So how much time it took for me to create this lab? Amazing, isn't it? Yeah, it's actually the 1 minute and I'm connected the all nodes together. You need not anymore to assign some names, but if you wish, you can do this. If you are going to the networks, this option to the networks, you can see the names which are used to interconnect the nodes appear it automatically. But if you wish, for example, this one, switch 4, for example, to rename as a trunk, it's up to you. You can make it trunk, right? But it's up to you. You can leave as it is. So I'm leaving as it is. Yeah, and actually it's not necessary anymore. Yeah, it's to be involved so much in these names. So, and now look at the serial connection. The serial connection is not going to be automatically, but we left as it is because we cannot find a very good way. Yeah, it's to make a lot of troubles in web configurations. So we would like to connect the router to serial 010, and you can see the old way of the serial connection window appeared, and you can say that I would like to connect 0 1 will goes to router 3 and 2. Yeah, it's actually it is a router. Yeah, that's it. That's fine. Here we are. Actually, it should be that way. Maybe not. Okay, that's fine. That serial interfaces connection is same as before. So the next point, I would like to connect, for example, to the cloud. The cloud should be added as a network, and I'm saying I would like to add my homeland, right? And it is my pnet 0, safe. And you're gonna see the cloud appeared, and I'm saying be sure that connection node is highlighted in red, and I'm saying the connect R2 goes to my homeland. Done. Sometimes you need to connect 3 or more nodes into the one network. Let me show you. And so I'm going to add 4 routers, for example, VIS, it will be 4 devices. And we would like to add these 4 devices all together in a one LAN. Let me show you. So we have the 4 devices, right? Okay, good. And look at this. Be sure again your highlighted connection node is highlighted. Click, and I'm saying gigabit 1 goes to gigabit 1. Cool. And now look next, I'm saying that this guy gigabit 0 goes to the same gigabit 0. Look at this, right? And I'm saying that this router goes to gigabit 0, or maybe gigabit 0 here. And you can see the 4 devices are connected to each other in a one network. Cool. Multi-nodes, yes. Connection of the serials. Connection of the serials are shown you, but I have to warn you how to use it. How to use it and what to avoid. Yes, it is absolutely mandatory. Because when you have already connected the Ethernet card and the serial card, you see that the porting numbering are already assigned, right? And if you would like to add and edit, for example, your node in a few, for some purposes, you need more interfaces than one Ethernet card. One Ethernet card has 4 interfaces, but you need 2. Be sure always that you have disconnected these nodes from the networks, because if you will add the second card here, the numbering of serial interfaces should be changed to 20, and in this case it will just simply crash a lab. It is a known bug, but we can't do it now, but it will, to avoid it, just to be sure that when you wish to edit this node and add more cards, disconnect from the interfaces. How I'm doing that? Be sure connection node is up, and I'm saying look at these 2 options. There is an edit option and the detach interface, right? I'm going to detach. In our case, you have to be sure that your serial interface is detached. So, and I'm saying to disconnect, save, and now you can edit this node. Yeah, it's better, of course, is to disconnect this cable as well. Yeah, let me disconnect this cable, and now you can edit this node. Okay, edit, and let's say it will be 2 interfaces. Save, and now we are connecting again. I'm saying the 00 goes to gigabit 1, and the serial number serial 20 goes to serial 10, such way. Okay, to avoid, because if you will forget this disconnect node, you will simply crash your lab, and lab will be crashed and non-revertible back. But it is only regarding the serial interface in an IOL nodes. It does not involve any other node which has only Ethernet. All right, good. Um, what you must do during connection, yeah, to avoid during connection, be sure that your nodes are always off. Yeah, we do not support yet that your node is running and you want to connect like in a hot plug and play. Yeah, it doesn't work yet, and be sure when you are connecting or interconnecting nodes, it should be off state. Notice list, the second very amazing thing. Yeah, it is very nice one. Yeah, it's when you finish it your interconnection, just go to and this highlighted this a connection node. Just click on it and a red color disappears. The next very good and nice feature implemented here, and look at this. I'm going to the nodes. Let me show you, and look at this. The new screen appears and you can jump to any option and can change. For example, I would like to change this iOS will be for R1, and for example I would like to change something. It's maybe this one, for example. Yeah, it's you can change an NVRAM. Yeah, it could be 2048, right? And when you did all your changes here, just be sure that not even, yes, you can change a node for icon, for example. Yes, you can see when I'm using this screen, that's a little bit highlighted in a blue color. Just to be sure when you're closing the screen that no one of your windows in a small are not highlighted in a blue. Just a click here and the close lab. That's it. So, and as you see, we change the icon for R1, and if you are going inside, this is a second option how to edit node. You can see that the NVRAM, I changed it on that screen, and it is amazing, right? Now it doesn't support for the IOL. It's so 2.4 actually, it should be there. Okay. This is amazing feature, and if you imported some lab, for example, from IOL, let me show some bigger lab. Let's maybe that one, for example. Okay, and look at this. This is a big lab imported from IOL, and if you are going to the nodes, you can do everything on a one screen to correct your RAMs, to correct your iOS, proper iOS, and icons, and even configurations. And you can see the buttons are here. Yeah, it's you can call out. Yeah, it's edit screen for each node. Such way, it is amazing. It's everything can be done on a one screen. So the transparency as well, yeah, it's implemented. You can click on that black spot, yeah, it's and you can see click, it's transparent, click again, it's back. So I'm closing this screen. So you will figure it very quickly and how it works. Just to be sure, when the some serial interface connections are used, just to be sure that you are not configuring this. Okay, let me show you what happens. For example, if I will do it, yeah, so let me make a clone of the lab, clone selected lab. Copy, yeah, good. So I'm going in, and look at this. We have the serial numbers here, and I would like to say that I'm going to edit this node, and we'll change or add some interfaces. We have Ethernet 1, but I'm saying it will be 2, and I'm saying to say Ethernet wasn't. Refresh. Yeah, and you see that the slim error appeared. That's because I do not follow my own recommendation, and I added the card, but serial interface was attached, was connected to another node. If the serial interface would be disconnected, you will not get this error, but actually this lab is gone, and I can do anything anymore here. Show Control F5. Okay, and we are going to close this lab. This lab is gone. So delete. Okay, good. Just I'm showing because to warn, yeah, it's to avoid, yeah, to lose your big labs. So Save your work, click on a free space, I close, and how to use the shapes in UNL. Okay, let me go back. It's our dynamic links, and some of guys are asking you, how are you using, how are you make for example some tunneling? I need a tunnel, for example, between node VIS6 and R2. So it's pretty simple. So I'm going to custom shape. Okay, the custom shape is no more mandatory to enter some name, but you can do it. Yeah, and I'm saying it will be some square, right? If you need a tunnel, I'm saying the thin of the border will be 2, border color, let's say blue. Okay, and the background color you can use as well, for example, very highlighted blue, like that. Okay, so done, and you're gonna see such square. Yeah, so maybe I can edit again, and let's say it is not solid, but will be dashed line. Yeah, it's so the square is, and we would like to see the R2 goes to here like in a tunnel. And look at this, what I'm doing. I'm making like a rectangle, and look at this. Just I'm going to say and edit, and you're gonna see that rotation is implemented as well. And we are going to, let's look at this. I'm clicking, and it started to rotate, right? And such way you can make some tunneling or something like that if you need. Yeah, it's you can make it shorter. Yeah, and so that's how it works, right? Any of the objects which you're adding, yeah, it's maybe for example you need an area. Yeah, it's let me show you. Custom shape, it could be circle, it will be okay, it will be dashed. Yeah, it's very thin too. Yeah, maybe red color, or yeah, it could be red. Okay, and filling up, it could be red as well, but very highlighted. It's like that. Okay, good. So save, and you're gonna see the circle appears, but we would like to see switch 4 and this one guy rotor. It is in this area, so you're gonna make this such way, right? And just a bit, and it we need rotate it. Yeah, as you see, yeah, it's adjusted and just properly the pointed. Yeah, it's where you need this. That my mouse is a little bit crappy. So that's such way. So guys, I think it is informative. You will like it very much, and your labs will be built very quickly. Just remember about serial interfaces, and thank you very much for viewing.